Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today's Monday, February 9, 2026. And one of the big things from last week, and there were a lot of news items in last week, the good one was at the end of the week, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed above 50,000 for the first time ever. During the week, it looked like it might be heading towards 5,000 rather than 50,000. We started the week with a rally on Monday, but strong, significant selling on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And it looked like the stock market may join the crypto market in really plunging and falling off a cliff. On Friday, and there was really no news that I saw, was that a rally, kind of a bounce started. And I think it's largely driven by some topics I speak of kind of regularly: dealer positioning, option trading, derivatives, and algorithms. And once the rally started on Friday morning, it kind of gained momentum and just kept going along. Again, I think some dealer positioning, everyone's kind of positioned the wrong way. And once the rally started, they had to chase it higher, which then kicked in algorithms and other traders with derivatives that really forced things higher. And the Dow was up 1,200 points on the day. The S&P was up 2%, NASDAQ up 2%, and the Russell led the way up 3.5%. That's only on the day. For the week, the Dow was up 2.5%, and it's up 4.25% year to date. S&P was flat for the week and is up 1.25% year to date. NASDAQ, even with the big rally on Friday, down 1.8% for the week and down almost 1% for year to date. Again, Russell, as I've been talking about, up 2% on the week and up 5.6% year to date. Looking at the software and the technology areas, there's been significant selling. Again, AI worries as that AI may damage those business models, and there's been significant selling. There was a bounce on Friday there. The software index, IGV is the iShare of that index. From the high in late January, it's down 19% going into Friday. The technology ETF, XLK, was down 9.5%, again from the high in late January through Thursday's close. So a lot of selling going on. The markets did recover on Friday. Maybe the Thursday marked a low for a while. I think there are some things going on that could, stabilize the markets and even drive them higher. This week, unemployment data comes out for January on Wednesday. CPI, the Consumer Price Index inflation gauge, that's also on Wednesday. And then PPI, the Producer Price Index, another inflation gauge, that's on Thursday. Plus, as we've been saying, a lot of earnings. So, a lot going on this week. But, we've got a heck of a rally there on Friday. Some follow through as I do this video on Monday. So we'll see. Thank you for listening. We'll be back on Wednesday. Please like, subscribe, and send us any questions. Thank you again. Goodbye.